Well, good afternoon. It's April the 11th, 2018, and it is my birthday. I was planning on taking the day off, but a very good customer of mine who has an apartment building with 4 apartments and 2 commercial spaces called me to let me know that one of their tenants is complaining there are birds or animals of some sort that have moved into a vent, and they can hear them crawling around in the vent over their bedroom, and they're very creeped out. So we're going over there to inspect this, see what's going on, see if we can find out where they're getting in and block it off somehow. If it is a vent, we might have to change out, you know, one of the vent pieces where it comes, you know, the louvers, or maybe they're getting in through a crack somewhere. Maybe it's a bat, who knows. So stay tuned, I'll try to get you some shots if I can, right after this. Okay, so let's see here. Let's go see if the vent we put in last time is still there. Yes, it is. Installed this vent last year, and it's still there. This is over the living room though. She said she hears it over the bedroom. Right there. That's what the problem is. There's definitely the possibility something is moving into there. Alright, so I'll have to go to the store and get a new vent. I'll let the tenant know what we're doing. Down a little bit.
Yeah.
You know? Alright, I won't have to come back in here.
It's a bird, a small bird. That big, and it.
Oh, you saw it?
I know. I heard it and I felt it. I didn't feel it like that.
Right.
You know what I mean? I can't stand that. I don't know. It was there, taking its mouth, the beak, and scratching it on the window. And it done this a lot. I said, oh, I don't know how to stop him. So I knock on the window, and then he flies away.
Okay.
So
So he's probably making a nest in there. So if I can reach the nest, I'll clear that out of there. If not, I'm going to put a new vent on there, and then
that would be better.
Yeah, well, we're going to put a new vent on there anyway to keep them out.
Oh, good.
This way they can't get back in there.
Okay.
Because that's where you had the bat in the other one here.
Yeah.
And you haven't had a problem with that since, right?
No.
It's been nice and quiet. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to run to the store. I'm going to get a new vent, and I'll come back and put that on, and I'll let you know when I'm done.
Okay.
All right, there. Plastic becomes very brittle by nature when the sun beats down on it. This is common. If you're going to change one of these that's been up for many years, it's probably going to just chip away like this. You can use a painter's 5-in-1 tool, you can use a chisel, a scraper, or you can just bust it off with your fingers. I can't see any bird nest in there. I certainly can't reach around that corner with anything. We'll put a new cover plate on here and we'll at least keep them out. I didn't realize it until I started editing this video, but there's a black, looks like a burn spot on the side of this building. It's pouring out today, but I'll go inspect this sometime next week and let the landlord know what's going on. Looks like somebody's burning something, or a dryer's overheated or something happened there. It might be something old. Alright, so the holes don't line up. These holes are nowhere near the other ones, as you can see. So, we gotta make some new ones. That's deep enough. Yep, that's deep enough. Here's a pro tip for you. This is doorbell wire. Just going to twist it so the two wires are together. I'm going to cut them so they're in about 1-inch pieces. So you got two wires twisted together and they're about 1 inch long. And we're going to take these 1-inch pieces of double wire and we're going to slip them into the holes that we just drilled. The pro tip here is you don't need to buy concrete anchors. The same screws that came out of this that were in those blue plastic anchors that you see there are going to work wonderfully in these holes. As you tighten the screw in, it pushes against the wire twists around the screw, and it takes up the space. There we go. Nice and tight. This opens up in case you have to look in there, clear it out or anything. Yeah. Snap shut. I'll keep the birds out. Alright, so that's what we look like now. New vent on there. Just like that. That'll keep the birds out, keep the bats out, even keep the squirrels out. Squirrels could easily run across that pipe and get in there. They're clever little buggers. Should be a quiet night's sleep for the lady tonight. I'm gonna go tell the tenant that we're done, and we'll get out of here. Listen, I want to thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe, like, share, comment down below. I'll answer all comments. Thanks and have a great day.